Hello, welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Tracy. Right here I have a foam dummy cake that I'm going to be decorating with little rosettes using the number 1M large star tip. And for the rosettes, I will start in the center and circle around it 1.5 to 2 times. As you can see, this bottom tier is made of foam. And since it is only a display cake, I'm using royal icing. You can, however, use a beautiful buttercream. Any buttercream will work to create these lovely rosettes. I'll pipe those little beauties all around the base, like little maidens in a row. Then I'll move to the second row. I'm placing these rosettes right in between the 2 lower ones. You may have noticed that I'm using a damp paintbrush to clean up the ends. Don't want any of those sharp points poking out. I'll squeeze one more rosette right here. And then you see the gaps between the rosettes. I'm using the same star tip and I'm just piping little stars. This 6-inch cake is real cake. I've already filled, stacked, and covered it in buttercream, and now I'll put Elyssa fondant on top. Cut that little excess off. After that's finished, I will stack it onto the 8-inch foam tier. Then, using a little royal icing, I'll fill in that crack. Smooth it out with my paintbrush. And I'll fill in that space with more little rosettes and stars. Again, just patting down those sharp ends with my damp paintbrush. Once those are all piped, I'm going to spray some pearl sheen over the entire cake. It is winter after all. Oh, look at that shine. One more coat. There we go, lovely. Now the cake is at the venue where I'll be adding fresh flowers. First I'll take the little rose, cut off the bottom of the stem and any excess leaves. Then I'll pipe some icing into a straw and put the stem into the icing. And the straw into the cake. That way the stems don't actually touch the cake. Disclaimer, I am not a florist, so I just arrange the flowers how I think it will look good. Here I'm putting a dab or 2 of icing. I'm going to stick some extra foliage right there. I love how this cake is decorated. It is simple and yet has a rustic elegance to it, perfect for any winter wedding. And this is why I love creating cakes for brides and grooms. Thank you so much for watching. I invite you to leave a comment. Till next time, happy decorating. Bye!